Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking some more examples on case 8 sums of shortcut method. So let's start. Here I've taken one example. Question is d square minus 4d plus 3y is equal to x cube minus x cube into e raised to 2x. X cube, now x raised to anything. This is case 7 if you remember. So now let's start. First we have to remove yc. So we'll write ae is phi of d is equal to 0. So d square minus 4d plus 3 is equal to 0. Now our roots will be d is equal to 3 and 1. Now these are our roots. Now we have to remove yc. Yc is, as the roots are real and different, our formula will be yc is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to x. Now this is our yc, the equation 1. Now we have to remove yp. Yp is equal to 1 upon phi of d, that is d square minus 4d plus 3 into the entire f of x, that is x cube into e raised to 2x. Now in our previous video we taught you the case in which we have explained how to form this. So I'll write it down. First this part I have to write it before, that is e raised to 2x. We'll take a bracket, then we'll write this part, d square minus 4d plus 3 into this, that is x cube. Now if you remember, this is the case 7. Go back to our previous videos and you will get to know how to solve these sums. Now directly I'll solve and show you all. Now when we have e raised to 2x, we have to put d is equal to d plus a, that is d plus 2. Now we'll put the values e raised to 2x 1 upon d plus 2 whole square. Wherever you can see d, we have to put d plus 2. So minus 4 d plus 2 plus 3 into x cube. So then now we'll simplify this. E raised to 2x 1 upon d square plus 4d plus 4. We have used a plus b whole square, then minus 4d's are 4d, minus plus minus, then 4 2's are 8 plus 3 into x cube. Then we'll solve this. E raised to 2x 1 upon d square, we'll write it as it is, d square. Now plus 4d minus 4d will get cut, so the remaining thing, it will become minus 1. So how we got minus 1 is, we have 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Therefore we got this part. Then we'll write x cube as it is. Now we have to leave this term as it is. We will try to solve this part. So it is in the form of d minus 1. Now we have to get it in 1 plus d or 1 minus d form. So as previous sums, we'll try to solve this. E raised to 2x, it will become 1 upon minus 1 minus d square. Now we have arranged it in 1 minus form. So then into x cube. Now we'll take the inverse of this part. E raised to 2x minus 1 minus d. Now after taking the inverse, we'll write x cube. Now this we have to solve by case, as per case 7 we have to solve this part. So for this what we have to do is equal to e raised to 2x. Now this minus we can take it outside, and if you guys remember, when it is 1 minus something, then it will be 1 plus d square plus d raised to 4 plus d raised to 6. So it will be 1 plus d raised to 2 plus d raised to 4 plus d raised to 6 plus dot 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 into x cube. Now we have to take the derivative of x cube. So derivative of x cube is equal to 3x square. D square of x cube is equal to 3 to the 6x. D cube of x cube is equal to x. Sorry, it will be 6 because 6 will take it outside, and derivative of x is 1. So 6 into 1 is, then d raised to 4 of x cube is equal to 0. So therefore, now this is the derivative. Now we'll try to solve this part. We'll write it as is equal to minus e raised to 2x into 1 plus, in place of d square we can write 6x. Then in place of d raised to 4 we can write 0 plus 0 into x cube. Now this x cube will be multiplied by 1 is equal to minus e raised to 2x into x cube plus 6x. So now our yp will be, this is our yp. So yp is equal to minus e raised to 2x into x cube plus 6x. This is the equation 2 and that is the yp. Now b is equal to yc plus yp, and that too from equation 1 and 2. So our y will be c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to x minus e raised to 2x into x cube plus 6x. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. In the upcoming videos, I'll be taking case 9 of shortcut method. So stay tuned. Thank you.